Welcome to JC Crafts.
Today we're going to be showing you how to make this pencil case and these flowered pens and pencils.
So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to make these cool flower pens. So let's get started. So you're just going to take your normal black pen or whatever pen you have at home and cut down a little flower. Then you're going to choose your type of colored tape. And you're going to start right here and wrap it around the pencil until you get to right here. I have my pen done with my tape and colored tape. You're just going to put your flower right here on the different side as this is on. And you're going to keep wrapping your tape around this until you get to the flower.
Okay, I am going to show you how to make a pencil bag. First, you're going to need a square of fabric. I like how mine looks. I like the length like this, so I'm going to double that and make it a square. I like to leave it connected where it's going to be the bottom because it just makes it less for me to sew. And then you're going to need a zipper. I just have a pink one to match my fabric. And if you want, you can use a thread to match your fabric, but I just decided not to. So my first step is going to be to fold my fabric with the good side on the inside so that the bad fabric is on the outside. And then I'm going to flip my zipper upside down like this and place it on top of my fabric so that it looks like this, and I'm going to just sew right along that. Now that I have this side sewed, I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side, and I'll be back after that's done. Okay, so now I have both my sides sewn on. The stitching isn't the prettiest, but I'm also not a very good sewer. So now I'm just going to start at the bottom of the edge and sew all the way up to the zipper from here to here, and do the same thing on the other side. So now my sides are all sewn up. I have all the strings trimmed, and I'm just going to turn it inside out. And make sure my corners are pushed out. And then just zip it up. You can put some patches on yours or decorate it if you want, but now you're done.
Hello everyone, and we hope you had a fun time trying all of our DIYs out.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
We'll see you next time.
Bye!